In the last video, we made a basic Spigot plugin and applied it to our server, but that plugin doesn't really do much. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add a command to your plugin and how to use it inside your Minecraft server. So before we start coding the command, you should already have a name picked out for your command. For this video, I'm just going to do /hello, but you can choose anything that's relevant to your plugin. So the first thing we need to do is create a Java class for your command. So to do that, just right-click on the package, go to New, and Java class. Now you can call this class anything you want, but I usually call it command and then the name of the command. So in this case it would be command hello, just like that. So now we have the class for our command, but in order to have it actually register as a command in Spigot, we need to have it implement the Spigot command executor class. So to do that, just type implements and then command executor, just like that. Now you'll see an error here, but that's only because we haven't, implemented the onCommand method yet, so we're just going to do that now. So override onCommand, just like that. So in order to get the sender, the person who executed the command, you use command sender. So my command is just going to say hello there to the person who executed the command. So we just need to do if command sender instance of player. Basically, if this is true, then that means the person who executed the command is an actual Minecraft player and you're not just typing the command from the console. So now we need to make a player instance out of command sender. So to do that, just player. Let's call it sender, and we'll cast command sender to player, just like that. So now sender is our player, but we need to have an else condition for this if statement, otherwise the command will error out. So we will do else. Basically, in this case, the command was sent from the console. So if we want to say hello back to the console, instead of instead of creating a player like we did up here, we just print it out like a normal Java program. Just there. Oops. And then we can return true, so that we know that the command was executed successfully. Or, instead of doing it here, we could just change this to return true. So in order to actually send hello there to the player, we now have our player instance called sender. So we just need to do sender.sendMessage and just type whatever we need to here. So I'm going to type hello there, ! So now we have our basic command ready, but it's still not going to actually be in the game yet. So to have it register into the game, we need to have it as an executor. So to do that, just type this.get command, and we'll call it hello. That's the name of the command, and we'll set the executor, and the executor will be a new instance of command hello, just like that. And if you get an error here, you can just click this right here. That's just to protect from having this be null. But really, it really makes no difference. So the last thing we need to do is, in our plugin.yml, we need to make an entry for the command. So in order to do that, we just make a command section here, and make one for /hello. Well, no, it would just be hello. And the description is the description of the plugin, so says hello to you, just like that. And then the usage attribute is basically if your command does happen to error out, say from a person entering the arguments wrong, then and you return false and the command errors out, then this usage string will be sent back to the user. So for this, we only need that because there's no arguments, it's just /hello. So now our command is ready to be used, so all we have to do now is just build artifacts, and build. There we go, so now it's building the Java jar file. This will take a while. Okay, looks like it's done. So if we pull over our terminal here, and we cd to documents, then we can see our example plugin. This is actually the new version. The old version that we made in the first video was actually overwritten. If you don't want that to happen and you want it to be kind of versioned, you want to move the old Java jar file to a different folder or a different file name so that it doesn't get overwritten. So now we just send it over to the server. Of course, this scp command is only for my situation. For you, you just have to move the jar file into your server plugins folder. So if we SSH into the server, we can see our example plugin was successfully copied over. So first we stop our server. This is just so that when we actually put the server into the server, when we put our plugin into the server, it doesn't conflict with anything. So now we cd into plugins, and we remove the plugin that was already there, so now it's not there anymore. And we copy the new one into plugins, and now it's there. So we just have to start up the server, and go into console if you want. This will take a while. So now we're in Minecraft, so we just have to log into the server, and we're logged in. So in order to test your command, just type it in, just like a normal command. And here we can see it auto-completes for us, so that means it's registered as a command. And we can see it says hello there. So if we go into our console now, we can also type hello, just like that. And it also works like that. So it works in Minecraft and it works in our console too. So that's how to make a simple command and how to use it in your server. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, etc. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.